I dissent. But Justice Brett Kavanaugh wrote that the lower court's order restricting immigration and customs enforcement agents went too far, saying, quote, "To be clear, apparent ethnicity alone cannot furnish reasonable suspicion. Under this court's case law regarding immigration stops, however, it can be a relevant factor when considered along with other salient factors." The Trump administration's border czar Tom Homan celebrating Monday's ruling as a victory.
I trust the professionals of the Border Patrol and ICE, all very well trained, to make sure they establish reasonable suspicion to briefly detain and question somebody, and the Supreme Court agreed.
But relief from the Supreme Court is only temporary. Immigration advocacy groups are suing the Trump administration for allegedly targeting brown-skinned people as part of its immigration crackdown. California Democrat Jimmy Gomez called the decision by the court a slap in the face of the immigrant community.
There's 500,000 undocumented Europeans and Canadians living in the United States. I haven't seen them pulling over random white people just for the sake of it and asking them for their documentation.
Monday's ruling is likely just the tip of the iceberg. Legal experts expect this case will come before the court again in the not-too-distant future.
There's a very good chance that this case does end up before the Supreme Court, and then we're going to have a vigorous argument about what is enough for an ICE agent or another federal law enforcement officer to have a reasonable suspicion that somebody is breaking the law.
That same Supreme Court ruling will likely have a major impact on undocumented immigrants in the area and the businesses that employ them. Our Natalie Basha has local reaction.
The Westchester Hand Car Wash has been the target of immigration enforcement raids 3 times since June. Owner Mehmet